Art friends, we're going to be drawing a Chihuahua. Okay, so his little Chihuahua head's going to be here. He's going to have his body right here, and we're going to put a leg, a little back leg, little tail, big Chihuahua ears. All right, I got it. Now we're going to start. So Chihuahuas have giant eyes. So we're gonna start with a couple of great big circles. Then we're gonna put some lines around those circles that are kind of more pointy on this side and a little more round over here. And then here's his little, we'll put a little eyebrow here. And then we're gonna do the same thing over here. And it doesn't have to be exactly the same, because, you know, things are like body parts that look similar are not twins. They're kind of like more sisters. We'll put a little mark here and a mark up here for his little Chihuahua face. They always have such a concerned little look. And then above this, we're gonna draw a curved line right there. Then we're gonna come down here. I'm gonna draw a curved line and another curved line like so, and some little beans on the inside. And we'll continue that down. And then we're gonna draw a little curved line like so. And we're gonna come down here, put a line there. There's his lower lip right there. I love it when dogs have black lips. I think it looks so cute. All right, then for the ear, we're gonna come up, over, to the top, down, kind of curve around a little bit like so. And then we're gonna put the inside part here. There's the head. Put another couple lines here because they have that kind of foldy thing in their ear. And then we'll come over here, come down like so, come up like that, little foldy things. Then we're gonna come down, around like that. Here's this little Chihuahua back down to his little butt. Put a little line here. I'm gonna do the same thing over here. And then there's his chesty coming in. And then it just kind of comes straight down, over, and this is what will turn into his leg. Then we've got his little paw. That, and then that's gonna come up. Then he's got his chesty that comes down here, and then it runs into this leg that comes here, and that leg is gonna end about here. We're gonna put some little lines there. It's gonna run into that, and then it's gonna get skinny and then thick. Then we're gonna put a number 2 here, kind of backwards. So see the backwards number 2? And we're gonna put some little lines there. And we're gonna come back here to his little butt, just like that. And we got his little waggy Chihuahua tail. And then his tummy continues here. We'll make this, I guess, a girl. And then his other, or her leg, just see the kind of the number 2 there. And we'll just kind of continue that just like that. And then here we go. We're gonna put this one, this Chihuahua is gonna be in the desert. Here's a little cactus. Maybe this is one of those bands of part of a Chihuahua, wild Chihuahua pack in Arizona, running free. Put the moon here, or the sun. It's very hot. And we're gonna color in their eye so they don't look so zombie-ish. Leave a little light. Oh, that looks better. It was looking rather scary. Oh yeah. What a beautiful Chihuahua. All right, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Middle School Art Mania. Thanks for watching.